so I'm gonna jump from here and pop up over there on the deck. 1, 2, 3, jump. Hey guys, I ain't too long woke up and I was going through my text messages, and one of my text messages, someone requested that we must do more vlogs or day-to-day videos. I didn't really want to post anything about my boat as yet, but I'll do it, there's no problem. So you're gonna see my boat in this video and how far it reach. Hold on. Yeah guys, and my day begins. Off we go. Yeah guys, I'm gonna spit something real quick. Check. Off to my boat we go. Off to my boat we go. Off to my boat we go. Pull it up ready. Let's hit on it. Yeah. Call me Skilly Wang. Osh Mario. $1 million shit. Yo Wetty, you need to link me. I need some studio time, you know. I don't know if you're gonna hear me good because it's a lot of wind, but yeah, we're finally here at the boat. No, this must be my biggest workout for the day. It's getting the boat from our day to jump on. I know they say, you know what, doing kill it will make you stronger. This is literally what's gonna make me stronger. And I don't even do that this morning, so I'm gonna jump from here and pop up over there on the deck. 1, 2, 3, jump. Wow! Yeah, and I'm here officially. Welcome aboard. Yep, we are officially aboard. Right. We have a lot more work to do still, so you're gonna get an update probably every week. So hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so we're inside. We're gonna be dealing with the roof today. It's me and my uncle. We lovely. Yeah. So yeah, I might do a time lapse or just show you when I finish. But yeah.
You said you finish?
No, you did Andra.
Oh, yeah, they're going to send the whole.
Captain Junior, say hello to the camera. Lisa, say something, huh? Yeah, I do a vlog. A vlog. So we all done to them today, yeah? Normally it's me, one of my brothers, and my uncle that works on the boat. Yeah. But my brother's a bit busy now, so he's a very busy guy. This thing take like an hour and a half for me to get sand, done sand. But yeah, I think I did well. Yo, I've been through so much drama with this boat, I spent a lot of money on this boat. You know what? Comment part 2 at the end of this video so you can get the amount I spent and the dramas I've been through. Cheers! Yeah! But I mean, if I was sing good.
What?
I mean, if I was sing good.
If I was sing good. You see that I posted everything between it?
Eh?
When you watch the school, you say everything between it. Ah, don't cut off all the major. You see, I don't cut.
Alright, this is so.
But if you didn't go see, check anywhere else beside that.
Wait, did one it? Success! This is your practice.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. You ever spend money and then frighten after? That is the kind of money. Yeah. But comment part 2 and comment part 2 and you will get more details and the dramas and the cast and an update and the reason, you know, why I went and buy a boat. But yeah, this video is just a trial. Let's see how it ends up. Oh yeah, and continue liking the videos, commenting under the videos. You don't have to know me to comment, just comment, say something. Yeah. What I was saying, yeah, Wetty, link me, I need some studio time. I want the next one. Let me drop a next bar. On my boat, we on my boat. On my boat, we on my boat. On my boat, we on my boat. That's balls right there. Yeah. Anyway, let me stop with the playing thing. Yeah. Here I've been silicone, using 5200 to stick in the front glass. Forgive me please if you see I'm not talking a lot. I'm not the talkative type. So just right back and enjoy the video. And let me know your thoughts down in the comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below part 2 if you need to see a part 2 of this update. Oh yeah, and Kizzy vlog gonna be coming soon. She didn't do hers yet, but it's gonna be coming soon. You'll see what Kizzy normally do. Yeah, so this is me trying to use this drill. This drill have no slowdown. I don't know. It going too fast and it frustrating me. Yep. Shit. Rain gonna come, so the pack up. I'm on the inside, so we're walking out this morning. See, and this. We gotta put them at the hole, them in. They'll put on strips on the outside. When I finish, you go see them myself. Also, I do videos like, get them updates and everything nice. Yeah. It didn't really finish. I hope the work still too. Yeah guys, so I'm a bit stuck at this vlog and everyday something, but yeah, that's our work for today. Unfortunately, we didn't do much because we had a lot of cutting to do. Oh yeah, Kizzy's here. She comes down in the evening, late evening. Yeah. That's how it is. Got them lights. Yeah, I tell you, boy, doing everything, electricals, carpentry, everything. Yeah, I wanted to put some different boards in the center, like a different coloring. I don't know yet, but yeah. I'm about to wire up my wipers them up front. I don't know if you can see them. But yeah, them treating them 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. That's it for today. See you guys. Oh, kids, you gonna do a vlog soon? You gonna do a vlog? Alright. Anyhow, that's it for me. See you guys in the next video.